Hey traders, what's up? This is the watch list video for the last trading day of May, or the last day of May, actually both. Tuesday, May 31st, showing you the daily on the SPY. Man, we've had a huge 3-day run in the SPY, and the month of May actually closed green, which is impressive when you consider how weak it was before. I don't know what that means to expect going forward, but certainly I would say the bears will be a little bit less confident after this big bounce, right? So we'll see what happens. But as you guys know, I trade individual stocks. I'm in cash every night, and I'm just looking for things that may make me some money on the following trading day. Usually early in the video, I'll show a couple highlights from the previous trading session in the chat room, but I'm doing something a little different today just to see if it simplifies these videos, right? So I made a couple videos. They're like 1 minute long on my YouTube channel, so you want to go check it out. I just showed the BGXX entry idea, and hopefully within that minute explained the reason for the call in the chat room, and I did the same with APYX. So you can check out those videos. They're only like a minute long, so I'm trying to keep them short and educational at the same time, and maybe that will allow me to just cover the watch list in these videos, right? So SIGA just had a huge move, certainly extended, but it's going to be on watch because I'm a trader. GameStop gapped up, sold off, but then ended up closing kind of strong. So certainly that's GME. I certainly want to keep that one on watch. ONCT had a big move on Friday. We'll see if it gives us, an A+ setup on Tuesday. And again, if you want to get a better idea of what A+ setups are, I'm trying to do these little short 1-minute videos to explain the stuff that we call in chat from the actual nightly watch list to give you a better idea of basically what we look for once the trading day starts. I hope that makes sense. BKSY, you could argue, still hasn't broken the high from, let's see, this would have been Wednesday, topped out at 297. We did take a trade in that on Friday, but didn't quite still rip, so we're going to keep it on watch, right? FTCH, big volume, fairly strong close, deserves a spot on the watch list. CNCE, big breakout, but closing well off its highs. Still interesting enough to keep it on watch. AMC, I have a feeling, again, I don't hold overnight, but after seeing all the reviews for Top Gun, I have a feeling I should have bought this several thousand shares on Friday and probably sold in the pre-market tomorrow. But anyway, we're going to see. I have a feeling it's going to be a gapper, right? But anyway, it seems like maybe put in a double bottom in May and could be up from here. I know there's a lot of shorts in the name, and they got Top Gun numbers coming behind them too, so that's certainly one to watch. CRTD had a big pop on Thursday, quiet inside day on Friday. We'll be looking for one of those third-day play setups. VERU seems to have found support at the 20-day, certainly a recent high flyer. Going to watch that one. INDO. Oil stocks were strong on Friday, and there's USO. So oil, and I don't know. I haven't seen what it is today, but oil's really strong. And so I want to watch a couple of the small oil plays, which would be a couple I'm going to watch. It would be INDO, which seems to have found some support. It was a huge mover back here. It's also made a couple decent moves since this big move, but nice support and starting to curl up. So that's certainly one to watch if oil is strong. And I'll throw HUSA, a very similar chart, trying to break out of a recent range. We'll throw that one on watch too. AEMD, nice 2-day run back here. I believe this is lumped in with the monkeypox plays. Found the 20-day and curling back up. And then lastly, kind of obscure, BGXX, which had this big reversal day right here. And it's been bleeding lower ever since, and it's almost reached all-time lows. I think this chart is worthy of a potential bounce, so it's on bounce watch. I'm done babbling. I'll see everybody in the chat room on Tuesday morning. Have a great rest of your weekend.